The spin dryer's moved in with the washing machine. They're living together, you know what I mean? I believe the spin dryer's the clothespin's mum. He came out of her rotating, aerated drum. She takes the day off when the weather's fine, then he does a line with the clothesline. They live in an outhouse without any fuss. Are these household appliances quite like us? The washing machine once spilt his load because he was in fast colours mode.